Right, I'm just doing a leak off test on my Jaguar because it's throwing a P0251 error, and in fact the knock sensor is going. Long time ago I replaced it when I bought it, 2 injectors. It's done 127,000 miles when I bought it, and all 4 injectors really were gone, but I could only afford to replace 2, so I replaced the 2 worst ones, which were on cylinder 1 and 3. I now really need to replace the other 2, and I'm going to do a leak off test to see if they really are, if the ones I've got new or reconditioned are still working well, and if they are, then I'll just replace the other 2 with the reconditioned ones from the same place. So I'm just going to pull that cover off. And then put those back on, keep the dirt out. So to do a leak off test we just need to take these clips off and basically replace them with these and see how full it gets. So these clips are a bit awkward to get on and off, but you can get them on and off obviously. Right, I've managed to, this came from a kit. I've lost one of the bottles, but it had 6 bottles and I only need 4, so that doesn't matter. Right, and I also had to tie wrap that clip back on because it broke off. So first thing to do is cut that tie wrap. Right, let's pull those off and out of the way. There's a clip at the back, quite easy to undo, a little bit harder to do up. If we're lucky, it's just cylinders 2 and 4 leaking, and if it is just cylinders 2 and 4 leaking off badly, then I can go with some nice cheap injectors from Midland Injectors. Right, so part number 1, stick that over, clip it on. Part number 2, clip it on. Part number 3. Over, clip it on, and I'm doing this with the engine quite warm as well. Part number 4, stick it round, clip it on. So now all we need to do is just hang that somewhere. Fire up the engine and see how full these bottles get. Now if we're lucky, cylinders 1 and 3 are okay, those were the ones I changed last time, and 2 and 4 are the ones that give me trouble. We'll see. You can see there's 2 and 4 that are filling up, and 1 and 3 are staying reasonably empty. Now you normally rev the engine up to do a leak off test, but this one's so obvious we don't need to. And there we go. Confirmation that cylinders, injectors on cylinders 2 and 4 are the dead ones, and 1 and 3 are still good. So now we just need to put these pipes back on and we're all good. Right, so just quickly take these all off, and I shall save the drained off fuel for lighting fires, because diesel is much safer and better at lighting fires than petrol is. As I say, there you go, that's fairly conclusive. Cylinder 4 is the worst, cylinder 2 is bad, and those two are draining very, very little. Right, it's a bit fiddly to get these original ones back on. You have to push it quite a bit back. Push that clippy bit, try and get that clippy bit under. See, it's quite hard on the actual ones to get that clip back engaged under there. Nevertheless, I shall press on. These also are paired together, so it does help to start moving these around in pairs. There we go. Right, come on. And try and avoid getting dirt in them. Sure, there's someone whose job somewhere is to make clips that look easy, but are really a bit fiddly to do. What sort of a person comes up with these ideas? Probably an engineer who never actually had to do the job. Come on, get on there. Right, give them a tug. No, that was not on properly. Give them a tug to make sure they're on properly. That one will move clips or tie wraps. That's not quite engaging enough, that one. Right. Just just double check we haven't got any embarrassing leaks. And we're all good. Right, so there's confirmation, as I say. That cylinder and that cylinder need new injectors. They're the ones I was hoping needed new injectors. That's how you do it. If you found the video useful, please like, share and subscribe. It really helps. Liking does, sharing does and subscribing does. And thank you for watching.